Now, para number 14. Are your helpers kind to you? I asked. Narrator asked to the girl, are your helpers kind to you? They helped you or not? Fairly, but they are not as careful as I shall be when it is my turn. Those that have been blind already are the best helpers. It's a perfectly ghastly. Ghastly means here causing fear or horror. I wish you would try. Shall I lead you? Shall I lead you anywhere? He, I asked. Means narrator asked. So he further asked her if her helpers were kind to her. Her response was positive. The response of girl was positive, but according to her, the intensity of help and care was lesser. Means she thought they would more helpful. She would be a better helper during her turn. As per her statement, people who had experienced the blindness become better helpers as they were able to understand their position because they are blind. Okay, the inability to see was scary. The inability to see was scary. The ghastly word is here to show the horror or scariness of being blind. So she wished he could call who? Narrator. She wished he could give it a try. He should also try. Then he asked her if he could show her the way and help her to go anywhere. She asked the narrator to help her out. Oh, yes, she said. Let's go for a little walk. Only you must tell me about things. I shall be so glad. Glad means happy. When today is over, means today's day was over. That particular day was over. The other bad days can't be half as bad as this. Having a leg tied up and hopping means to leap or jump about on a crutch. Crutch means a long stick to support a disabled person. You used to see some disabled person had a stick with them always. Is almost fun. I guess having an arm tied up is a bit more troublesome. Troublesome means more difficult because you can't eat without help and things like that. I don't think I will mind being deaf for a day, at least not as much as lamb, but being blind is so frightening. Most scary is being blind. Frightening means here terrifying or making afraid of something. My headache all the time just from worrying that I will get the hurt. Where are we now? So she replied in acceptance and suggested to go for a walk. Okay. She also asked him to tell about things. She said that she would be full of joy once the day is over. When the day will be over, she would be happy. She further said that even the bad days would be half as bad than to be blind. Means being blind was the worst day for them. In her opinion, other things were fun. Other things were fun, like to have a leg tied up tied up and having a stick with them. It was a fun for them. On a support, having an arm tied up was still annoying, as it was difficult to eat without help, and so on. But she said that she would not mind to be deaf for a day. She would not mind to being a deaf, but the being a blind was most frightening. Okay, she said that she would not mind to be deaf for a day, but being blind actually scared her. It troubles her mind. Frightening means it troubles her mind with the fear that she would get hurt. she had a scaredness in her mind that she would be hurt one day. Okay, remaining paragraph in next videos. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.